made a noise.
A lot of people on my YouTube channel, they love seeing this bus. It's like a fan favorite.
And did this for 23.
That's right. It's just funny that I'm riding this bus today because at school I was daydreaming about this bus all day.
Let me tell you something. Your driver that was driving Cohan's route this afternoon, he's a good driver, he's safe, but he's very slow. One speed only. And they were complaining this morning. I thank him all for being courteous about it, so he's a new driver, and he's not used to these roads. It's going to take him a while to get used to all these roads in Hartsville. Just bear with him. And I know they were getting frustrated. It was taking forever. I mean, I was giving him directions, but he wouldn't go over the speed limit. You know.
Yeah.
And every time he stopped, he made a complete stop. But it's more important to get there safe than to get there early.
Yep.
So I told him from now on, when he has to drive a morning route, to leave about 5 minutes earlier to the shop.
Yep.
That'll get him there for a decent time.
Yeah, morning routes. Those are the ones you gotta be concerned about more than the afternoon.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't too bad this morning. At least you could see the read directions. Boy, the last 2 weeks I've been driving, it's been rough. Ooh. Because you can't see. I've driven a different route every day for the last 3 weeks.
Wow. I don't know how to check outside of the recording. I'm guessing like 4:10 or something like that.
Oh, we got an ambulance. I'll tell you something. What's going on? Oh. I'll get home and it'll be getting dark. I'll get enough time to get my eggs for my chickens and let the dogs out and it'll be dark.
Yeah, I noticed it's getting dark real quick.
I wish I'd just leave daylight savings time alone. Go a half an hour in between and just let it go. Let it stay there.
Yeah. What's cool about this bus is that when you sit in the back, you can hear that exhaust real good.
Yeah. Smell it real good too, the wind changes. Right?
Oh yeah.
Bus, he's got them brakes all shellacked over. You hear them, they squeal every time.
Is it because he is it because he brakes too hard?
Yeah. They want me to put new brakes on. I said, why? Is there anything wrong? What the noise is? If I change every set of brakes in these school buses are noisy, we can change the brakes all the time.
Exactly. Oh, which one?
I can't remember his name. He's over here in special detention for now. He's tall and he walks all this place. He has a little scoop over. And his grandpa owns a junkyard over Mississippi.
Wait, is this like a kid in A school?
Yeah. Yes.
And he's like a mechanic?
Does a lot of mechanic work, yeah. Because I was telling him that I was pulling a transmission this week. And what I was pulling it out of, he said, we still have a problem. You got out. I said, well, that's what I thought too, but they ran the exhaust running underneath the transmission.
Wow.
Now I got to pull the exhaust off to get the transmission out. The transmission ain't even hooked to the motor, but I can't get it out.
Wow. I have a buddy who's in A school.
Oh, yeah? I think we made pretty good time.
Oh yeah. Does Miss Robinson have the longest route?
Who?
Does Miss Robinson have the longest route?
Got one with him and Conan.
A lot of leaves in here.
Huh?
A lot of leaves and stuff.
Yeah, it's from them roof vents being open, blew in them down the roof vents.